were being beaten, where were you? I asked this question when I hear people criticizing me. I slapped a policeman at Brekum and ran for cover. Even though I was pregnant, I was rushed for prayers after Kotoko lost to work. Special assistant to Kotoko board chairman, Dr. Insia Evelyn Insiasari.
I'm confirming free baby. Say ye who say Evelyn Yadio baby into me Kotoko Juma me one of the few people work of Morocco ebe kromo hano. Ye rushing me to Methodist suffer anka me after the game. It just say I nearly died, and that is how I me fa Kotoko. Ya bro me obrekum na me nyimo and ye bo menu so obrekum police ni bo menu so na me boni bi we am taking cover into nan kofa ba no because supporters ni se me ne Kotoko ne buy into me dey duro me praise be ni eduro no me dey kwai. Any that so should be there. Me ye Kotoko ni, me ye support. Forget about some be here Juma me ye Kotoko supporter. Born any train me Kotoko atina me fie. Ewo baby a chairman se no. Ni e fra wa ho dwunhia ye so. Ofori kuragu. Man cells fie ye ne nene ye wo. Obia o ye kumasi ni a watena kwada so da bisa na FDNT. Francis Dominic Insiatimbe. Se me ye me na Juma. Me ye Kotoko supporter. Why apu ye Kotoko unto sometimes go forward platforms so you become emotional. Ne mo troni ade me hesa na me bisa say that time I boy and where were you? I mean 89 on se bibisa dey bia me catch me ma me say 52 year o say me dey me gidi say me bro because niam me hu
edi yes sister Kotoko no e woni mogem ono Kotoko no ne na no mo so no so bie ti se wo ye Kotoko adwuma mo bi nya say asa yakofa le fi ba bi na ba na oba be ye yi na ti tama mami diwe tu misiri wo mpacho na me wi Johnson upon tama take it to Johnson upon
na story ya we ni se ede na de baaye
o se ede na
eden
doctor say nka or message be as assistant
and the birthday message
assistant to board
special assistant to the board chairman
or be a become Kotoko like Kotoko asema na eno so onka Kotoko asem but she's a Kotoko supporter
and we have fresh voice
Saturday
okay
Saturday
okay we here
okay
akunyo not
all right
akunyo we the time
and we know oboma no say any
birthday
okay number say me hu and precipitation
oh wow
okay Matiasi
tama
Matiasi
yanko Johnson upon born Mami Johnson upon onyina yi Walid Neema Walid Neema onyina yi enya nunu so Zakaria Fuseni ono so nyina yi entama Prince Bedouin ni aba yesim panifo bi step room ejinam say yensan hwe ne biem na say no say ye sren kofo say hwe biem tama me hu bi dawo ono so yesim panifo bi tiam biem ka na ko kan omo ko eyi ne ho by panifo bi tiam ti eno mo hwe ne but they will know their fate after Kotoko's friendly match with Bernab tomorrow at Hajo ochina Kotoko ni Bernab ebo friendly match ye bo wi a sa nipa fo ya mabo mudin tama omuti keka na enie Dogo Yakubu obi ni na won kan chen say onyina yi and then our own Morphine Donzu ono so tama onyina yi Dogo de ye say was sign 4-year contract to club no person petit man o manya tima man no de a any termination ebeka no Morphine Donzo de o ma ye kra no na on shedan ka project ne ho but no person o mo hwe no nti no ya ma no kam ya hwe na wie after watching a friendly match no tama ebe wo so wo Kotoko basa nti amanfo nyina ye papa
that's it Obe chase man.
Yes. Minimum nti ade fi obe do.
No so Osasibe I think say we are here for Osasibe nsem no ka.
Osasibe there. Why then?
Is also need timo.
Where we at no. Eh obi mfa ne.
omo ne kasa omo has for trigger 1 year but no say 1 year no on pinning trigger
more
because time now no more can has for doesn't seem to want to go on only there.
Okay.
But no more.
More.
Almost sign a contract now. Terminal.
A woman that
Before you sign a contract, the trigger no or the terms were actually
a woman that.
the young fear if you say be a star and I'll make a different thing from.
Okay, Sunny the NSN yes, I wouldn't let's not trigger anything.
No, that option no deal and you.
It
depends who has the power.
It depends on contract.
Say
pay as ultimate trigger. Say pay as ultimate trigger.
Yeah.
So I contract now, minimum how has a model no. The say club no option trigger no. And yeah, optional.
No, so okay, club no option to trigger there. You give the power to the
Club.
But there are instances where both of you have to agree.
Let me yes.
No.
Will play at all.
Players now. I know
Age.
Omo dey say the option to and I said extend now and we be the map player no. Typical example to say Luka Modric. Modric be sign 1 season at Milan.
So it just Milan is taking a risk.
And omo man no additional year say oye o person oba then Milan will trigger it. It's a Modric in the Milan for chance and the trigger. But the who are the power na club no. What the power na
Zack of the two parties who is taking a risk? Player and be about 34 years. Yes, yeah, Tinam see any nintino. Ye be ma offer it to ebi. Ni amount the power if we now convince ya. And to wait to make us say now I won't do it again because now somebody is giving me a better offer. Who's a contract?
They know young.
They say
that's what penny or you
of division 1 about
at the division 1
oh like relatively
okay.
Time no year no young.
And there's no saying.
Oh, said the minimum is so free agent.
Okay.
I'm a phone is saying Crobby fan
Man in time.
Man
in time.
Oh, they're not told
Mamma, when a mistake back, we were back. I'm going to say, man in time, baby.
Push up to Quechua, then on more America.
Also, sir, a brand. Nebono, it will cost so come out. We pass a baffle. Kotokomono yam swapu kotokoyas and yes, that was the corner bina good trinity. So, Manunko, baby, Medium Africa. Other teams will be what does it? Naming na Kekmeri recommending nations, Amano.
Africa.
The nations in Africa.
No, not Division 1.
Oh, experience.
No, no, Division 1.
Oh, African as a more African. Adriana is also African. Nations they hear experienced players who have played in Africa before. Also, no Kobe, Morocco, near the no account. Okay.
But our training council.
Our house training.
Oh, yeah, training Thursday last.
So no a captain, Grana.
He's one of the captains.
Okay.
In fact, no a captain was on one or say Asare Ben. No, this is not the master.
Yeah, Asare is training.
Yeah, Asare Ben. Yeah.
Na so no watch. Work up on film things and so much at it.
No, Conchia.
Yeah.
Conchia.
Thank you, Tony. The agenda.
Conchia.
Just as a fool on a book, I didn't know genetic accra to a chira.
If we work up about what you do, suppose I be generated.
I'm so generated to a children. Say, you know, say in the next 4 years, 5 years, who are sad and fire because I quake one mobra. But born now, what born you two, or the Yamabe, I said, Angie, in 2 children to win a basana. Association. What do the list of names say Bano? None of them they really a big surprise because I wait here.
But I think there's enough discussion about Kotoko exits. At this stage,
there should be that.
I want the converse side of the argument. Additions, I say, Omo Kono are generating more than those who are coming.
Some submarine recruitment.
Okay. So we must no more pretty. Okay.
I know, sir, they know the tax ahead.
And I'm the way we bring of when it's over when I feel my release bear.
Okay. The tax ahead is not going to be an easy one for 10 clan because we share the sort of control idea more and one thing. They've started war. Because for the first time, you know. Science around Kotoko exit, you know, a different kakra. This comes back to Asema Rebecca and say, I'm person coach in the 4 weeks before the season. Okay, I'm because they think like each other say, Sen ko ba ntema because the 4 weeks ni betimi take a decision on some of the players.
As a Carlos Cruz.
It come be yes exercise we.
Why we that?
Ama ko benya sa time ni de hu omo anko opom. We also to some of us were of the view that any new coach be obebebian, especially based on the report of the former coach in Boa. But one kasa when it tia who shape and no Boa will change the report of the former coach. So clearly the two coaches decided that they want to want the players, see the quality within the players, and know those that will fix the system. I'll be used to them. Into Koba and Tamwa. If you can't be last 4 matches, the coach continue to leave, coach continue next year. And I'm told you go back to training grounds keke. And Obama be down no shebi. And I said to go back, be share court matches are. Come here sure saying you na ko eje bi kwamoto. Yen come here there's one risky side of it. Which is when the transfer window is closing. Transfer window will be closing 23rd
of this month.
You mean so whether the FA
someone has a submarine recruitment. So
no,
just
I'm talking
they are
about those who are also leaving. Because those who are leaving, a bit based on time or the team. Also, last year and the last 2 years. One thing I am seeing here, now it was better than almost first season. And now at the point now I am the first new players are got to register to every month. So guys are not money at them. Now when the management was asked, I'm say, not enough time, almost signing, almost permanent. Into do maybe another players almost on Tiasia, they needed to put them on the payroll, pay them whilst they were not playing or not even registered for Kotoko. Babakaya in their second season, but to a real season now because Ogun was staying and or submitting names of players on pay. Into a real now, Omuja players no kwano and I'm from course secretariat. Now because there was almost 3 months for some of the players to look for team, no, Kotoko second season and then under the IMs, yenya issues of Obi a Kotoko unregistered na Kotoko Tianaka because almost players majority tiasi ekoe. It happened in their third season. Third season omoje FA Cup now. Omu ko fikesi yem ko che kura na omu ka kire players ne say asumesi yenya o secretary. It from Mensia to the child contract team. And to say they learned something on their second season. And that's why some of us were saying say ka coach ne ban temwa. When we to dia obuboy. Some of the players have a long-term contract. Maybe they 2 years. And so no chemo. Na say one tiase and JB at 3 months be what will happen? It means he's going to be a player. It means you are going to pay him. And that is something you always want to avoid. And I have 19 days because I never fought. Or turn on my last match. For the exercise our coach there, excellent opportunity to every player. For every player to prove a point to him. Dogo clearly, based on the head last season, who deserve a loan.
All right.
Yeah. Morphine Donzu. You cannot be taking the attitude as your salary and be putting up that performance. You almost $2,000. Now is short on target.
So bad. Thank you.
I think they say got to go 2 defenders. So an MSI Plidiam will be full of them. And not a Prince Baby. With Zachariah Hussein. Because your league now airborne. I can't 2 years contract. Of free Chelsea by last season when who's but the experience, at least even if it's your 4th choice defender, a year chance say because Zack, your boy away match be over so about 3 back be you can throw him on. For him to come in.
Okay, now Bedun and I Zakaria.
Based on the Johnson
about Tinklaman.
Johnson, so
no.
First round, Omar registered Johnson. Omar registered first round. But second round, Omar registered. I said 3 goals, before so. Yes.
So
I think say on no chance be when you be 27 be abeso on your Juma. Maybe 3 be also register 30 players. When I was 27 maybe 3 slots be aka. Ubetimi na den aka atwo.
Thank you.
No ahade.
Say my compile didn't nyina me the Martin Clark. Man send the phone ring you be name.
Yeah.
Okay, dear Tinkler.
But do for the aggressiveness of the game.
Dear Tinkler.
Zachariah for the experience. Oh,
Na
and Johnson for second chance.
So
There's a name at the
Adagaja goal scoring.
Aha,
Okay.
Shege Rizzi.
All right.
Name at the
Shege Rizzi.
one